Hello guys, this is Victoria again here at Shoes of Hollywood, and I'm so happy to be here with you again. So now we're gonna review these ones. Are amazing. The DELIGHT-649. They are 6-inch heel, and as usual they bring this beautiful and secure box. Like ever, dust-free bag for protect them, and this travel bag as well. Really important for me, for example, I need to take my shoes all the time, so it's really good. Now, look at this. I love the black heels because they going good for all the time, all the clothes. Look at this. They bring with this T strap, 6-inch heel, and they come close here, which is really good for me. For me, I really love when the heel bring this one, and super grippy button and cushioning on the button as well. Look at this, right in gold. It's really spongy. And the paper for protect them. Another one, dust-free bag. I love this style. Open here and close here. Really comfortable. Let's try. So beautiful. I love it. I really like these ones because I can use for formal occasion or casual occasion for the party. With a formal dress are good as well. Look at this. And they have platform, so more comfortable and secure. I need to walk with these ones. I feel really comfortable and confident. This. It's really nice, to be honest. Close. I love the detail close here. Make you feel really secure. Your foot is not moving. Okay, we need to go outside for walk around a little bit and see how amazing looks under sunlight. Here in Australia is winter, but it's really hot. But don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel, and click in the little bell in this corner for don't lose any video to our channel. Go inside. Look at this winter day in Australia. Can you believe? I really love the sun. They are shining. I love it. I know I say always that, but definitely I need to use these ones in the next runway because they're really comfortable. When you come to try, you can see. Inside looks like more winter. Super comfortable. I love it. Okay, I really love it. Thank you for watching, guys. Let me your comments here down. It's my first time, so be nice, please. And see you next time.